My name is Ekta Hinduja and a big warm welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you as to how you do the scan study items in Get Class Monitor box. Also, I'm going to tell you how to do the shuffle day plan using your mobile application and using your mobile phone. It's a very simple and a very easy steps to follow. All you have to do is just take in your mobile phone, download the Get Class Monitor app and get yourself registered on the following app. So for parents who are wondering what Get Class Monitor box is, it's an academically based box wherein they have a lot of activities covering different concepts, different topics and a lot more cutting and pasting activities. So if you haven't seen the video, then I would recommend you watch the previous ones to get the idea of about what the box is all about. So let's get started with as to how to go about with the scan study item and the shuffle day plan.
Tap onto the Class Monitor app and it will say your child is a star. Once you open it, you choose the kit that you want and do the scan study item that you see here. You just have to tap on that. And on every paper there is a barcode like this which is mentioned. All you have to do is go to scan study item, scan the barcode and it will tell you what activity it is, how much time is it going to take and how it is going to help a child. They also give different options as to how you can use the same activity in different ways, more on practical format. Also, this is a fun way to learn because sometimes we as parents will get confused as to how to go about with the activity, and this scan study item is on each and every sheet that they have provided to you.
So as you can see, it's very simple that you get into the app, that's Class Monitor app, and just below the scan study items you will see today's date, that is 9th of June, Wednesday. So I'm just going to tap here. So this is the activities that they have planned for Ayan today, but when I see this I am like, okay, I don't wish to do that because he's already done something similar in the school. So I would just press on here which says shuffle day plan. So I'm just going to tap this and you will see I get another option which says let's take transport lessons today. So read the entire thing that they have given. They will tell you which activity sheet you will have to take out and what you have to do. Now for example, I'm already done with this activity with Ayan and he wishes to do more, so I can just tap in again for day shuffle plan and it will give me one more activity that I can do like this. So right now you saw were 3 activities, this is the third one. Then we will see this is the fourth one, air lesson today. Okay, then I'll tap one more, it's going to take me, let's take animals, birds and insects lessons today. I'm like, no, I don't want to do. So this is like the 5th activity that they have given and this is the 6th activity that they have given, and that's it. So there are a total of 6 activities they have given. So this was the first activity I had seen. This also I don't feel like doing. So and again we are back to water. So they have given you say 5 to 6 activities for a day that they have planned for you, and then you will keep shuffling. It's very simple, just keep going down and do the shuffle, just tap it here and then you will see what it is that you have to do. And if you can see here, these are the category of activities they have given. So there is literacy skills, numeracy skills, shapes and colors, community helpers, plants and flowers, fruits and vegetables, the human body, animal, birds and insects, rhymes, stories, air, water, seasons, transportation, how to use and do it yourself. So there's a lot of confusion parents had asked. So you just tap in here. Then this is going to tell you how the entire kit will work, how the mobile application will work with the physical kit. So today if I say I want to do seasons, I'll just tap onto the season and then this is how the read, I have to just read, and these are the different season activities that they have planned. So these are the songs and this is the activity, rainy day sequencing. So as you saw, it's a very simple to follow steps. Download the application and use it. It's a very user friendly application, and as you saw there were a lot of topics that you could cover with your child. What we have started doing with Ayan is every day from 3 to 4 o'clock we do the class monitor activities or different activity boxes or Intel Kid. So we have found an hour in the entire day where we can sit with him and we are able to do so. For parents who are working or who are really tied up with their house chores, don't worry, because Saturday, Sunday you can pick up a day for yourself or just like 2 hours sit with them and get them interesting in doing it. I can understand that it's not easy to make them sit and do activities, but if you go with the day plan, they are looking forward to each activity every day. I suggest you start with 20 minutes in the initial stages with your child, and then you keep increasing the time only so that they are interested in the activity. I hope you guys liked the video. If there's any other query that you have regarding Get Class Monitor, Intel Kid, First Cry or any other activity box, do let me know in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.